Hi guys, today I'll be doing a video of my squishy vending machine. And this is what it'll look like when you get done with it. And after you have put your squishies in. That's what it's gonna look like. And for this project you will need a shoebox, scissors, of course squishies, extra cardboard, a water bottle, and tape. And also either clear tape, plastic wrap, or plastic. But I use clear tape. So what you're gonna do, take your shoebox like I did, and you'll be needing a marker too. Take your marker and your extra cardboard, cut straight lines of a square, and then for this part, trace a circle from the bottom of your water bottle and cut it. And make sure your water bottle fits. If it doesn't, expand it. And for down here, for the prize hole, you'll be just tracing a little square, drawing a little square and cutting it out. And for the coin slot, just cut out a tiny rectangle. And if you want to, you can write 25 cents or how much it is. And now I'm going to take out my squishies so I can show you other stuff. Okay, so in the back, this is what it looks like. This is the ramp for the squishy to fall down out of the water bottle hole. Like this. Hold on. So there's a hole right here in the water bottle. If you can see it, probably not, but it's okay. So you twist it, the squishy should fall out onto the ramp. It should go down into this prize hole. And for the shelf, you use your extra cardboard and make sure it fits into your box and cut a square out. And once you have done that, take your water bottle and cut the top off and stick it through your hole, maybe. Okay, for the ramp, you'll just take some of your extra cardboard, cut down a straight line, and just tape it to the side. And for the coin thing, I just used some of my extra cardboard and folded two sides and just taped it down. And if you want to make your turn button really cute, just color it and put turn on it, or you could put turn on it. And for this, I just used tape, clear tape. And this is what it should do. Well, one thing that's really bad about this is the squishy can't fall down by itself, so I always have to put my hand back there and push it down. So please comment if you know how to make the squishy come out by itself, because I really want to know a way, and I'll tell everybody else so they know a way too. So this is what it should do. So you have your squishy. Well, this is the way it's going to work right now until I get comments. So you have your squishy. Hold on. I need to turn it the right way real quick. Okay, you have your squishy. It falls into the water bottle. You twist your water bottle to where the hole and it should go just like that down the ramp and into the prize hole, and that's how it should go. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.